I cannot think of a more deserving recipient for the Medical Staff Impact Award than Dr. Davis. Dr. Davis has impact on our unit every single day on many different levels.
She is an extraordinary leader as our medical director of the Level 4 NICU.
She is not only an extremely talented clinician and a compassionate neonatologist who has provided care for our most critically ill babies and their families in the NICU and through our fetal and pregnancy health program, but she's also served as our medical director and steered our program through some very challenging times.
As a colleague, she is always willing to step in to help people out. And then as a leader of our unit, she attends umpteen meetings to advocate for the NICU and to make sure that we are heard and that we are recognized on a daily basis.
During very challenging times and extremely difficult events and periods like the recent COVID and ongoing COVID crisis, she has been tireless, dogged, and absolutely laser focused on assuring the highest quality standards and premier clinical care through it all.
For example, with the approach to COVID-19, she has really guided the perinatal policies here at Stanford, along with several others. She tirelessly put forth efforts to really release guidances in an informative and transparent way to our entire division to protect all of the staff, care for mothers and their babies that are affected, even when guidances were changing from expert levels on a nearly daily basis. And she did this not just for our whole division, but also disseminated this information to NICUs and programs across California and beyond.
It is in very large part due to her efforts and her development of strong teams and her assuring broad engagement across the institution that our neonatology U.S. News & World Report rankings now stand at number 3.
On a personal note, as a friend, Dr. Davis was kind enough to come into the hospital in the middle of the night on a day that she was not on call to attend the delivery of one of my children when she was born at 32 weeks. And I could not have asked for a more comforting or compassionate colleague to have at my side during one of my most terrifying times.
I have had the privilege of knowing Dr. Alexis Davis now for over 17 years when we were both fellows in the NICU program here at Stanford. Since then, we've grown up together as twin sisters in the Division of Neonatology, and I'm just so proud of all of her accomplishments. She has been a wonderful colleague and friend through all of this, and she's so deserving of this Impact Award.
She has a remarkable intellect. She is the epitome of grace under pressure, and she cares deeply for her patients, for their families, and for her colleagues. She is a truly amazing physician, a role model, and she is deeply appreciated and admired throughout the institution and across the United States by her colleagues. And I am profoundly proud and privileged to call her my friend.
So for all those reasons, Dr. Davis, congratulations on this amazing award. You deserve it.
Congratulations, Dr. Davis.